Hi everybody, I'm Tiff Howie from Broom Boat Sales, and today we're going to take you on a full tour of one of our latest listings, and this here is a 1958 Porter and Haylett Astroline 28. This is a timber boat in a stunning condition, as you can see. She's got 4 berths and a single Nanni 38 horsepower diesel shaft drive engine. Loads of gorgeous accommodation and social space. So without further ado, let's take a look at Eve. So we'll start our tour on the outside of Eve, the Porter and Haylett Astroline 28. And you'll see that she's had this extended bathing platform put on the back, which is really handy. It makes stepping from pontoon straight onto the boat really, really easy. On the back corners, you've got step up that gives you access to the side decks, and there's cleats to each side there too. Boarding ladder is strapped on there at the back. And just here, we have a holder for an ensign, which looks lovely when the boat's out on the water. You've got this renovated cockpit roof. So this gives you loads of natural light straight into the cockpit. Side decks are easy to access. So when you step up those aft steps, you've then got a handy placed handrail just there. Walk all the way along, and then you've got the bow. Handrails again built along the coach reef there, and bow just there, bow roller and mud weight. But she's in a stunning, stunning condition. So let's step on board Eve now. So you see, we step straight onto the bathing platform, super easy, and we find ourselves in the cockpit. This is a really large cockpit for a boat of this size and offers ample light through these large windows, double doors at the back, so these both open up to grant greater access, but also just let some lovely fresh air through here too. You've got blinds to each side, and there is a window cover for the front so you can keep the sunlight out. Helm position over here on the port side. So in here you've got access to bilge pump, rev counter, voltmeter, fuel gauge. Throttle just here. Below that we've got water pump, the Webasto control for the warm air heating and horn. And just under here we find access to electrics and your battery isolators as well. Engine is just under this hatch under the floor. So engine was replaced in 2018, and she now features a lovely Nanni 38 horsepower diesel shaft drive engine, which runs really, really nicely. So we're going to step down into kind of main accommodation area. So you'll see that this is really nice and open, which gives you that inside-outside feel between saloon and cockpit. Your saloon seating's over here on the port side. This will convert into a large double berth as well. And we've got a hanging locker just there and drawer storage underneath. And then we've got an isolator just there for inverter. There's storage under these steps too, and more storage built in along this starboard side. Refrigerator is just there, but just a really, really cozy area. Got some original feature lighting, very kind of Art Deco style. And we'll just give you a view of the back there. But you can see how bright this lovely boat is. Then we move forward, we find a galley. So we've got storage over here on the port side. We've got the gas water heater. So she is heated water-wise from this, but also from the calorifier. And then your main galley is over here on the starboard side. So we've got a Voyager 2-burner gas hob, oven and grill, stainless steel sink, hot and cold taps, and drainage built in. Another cupboard there. More storage underneath too. And then let's look at the forward cabin. So this is at the very front and gives you lovely privacy. So we've got V berths just here, so 2 people are going to sleep very comfortably. And we've got storage built in underneath the bed there too. Again, loads of light from not only these 2 windows, but also opening windows on port and starboard side. Lovely that they are opening so you can get some lovely fresh air through to this cabin. And then the last place to show you inside is the heads compartment. So in here we have basin with hot and cold taps. The window there is frosted for privacy, and that will also open as well. You've got storage built in behind the WC, electric WC to a holding tank, and a large shower tray just here, and the shower is just on this aft wall. So just to show you where the engine lives, as we mentioned, under the cockpit floor, easy access. I've just lifted this hatch with one hand, and there we find that Nanni 38 horsepower engine, and you can see that is in a lovely condition. The lovely thing is you've got this really classic 1958 boat with the beating heart of much newer machinery. So we've just taken Eve out onto the water just to show you how this lovely boat handles. So down here we have the throttle, so obviously forward for forward, back for reverse. And she does handle really, really well. You don't have to move the steering wheel very much at all to get some movement, and there isn't that feeling of oversteer. You point her in the direction you want to go, essentially. You'll notice here we have this folding windscreen here all the way around. There is a hard top, but this is also removable, which is a really nice feature. So with a bit of effort, you can make this whole cockpit area open air. And then just speaking of the cockpit, we find that here, and this has got loads and loads of space. So just looking here from the helm position, you'll find loads of social aspect, but also because of these large windows all the way around, you also find that even with everything closed up, this is a really, really light area. You've got those big double doors at the back. They both open up, and then you can see that large bathing platform there too. But generally, a really lovely boat to drive. So that is our full tour on the Porter and Haylett Astroline 28 completed. As always, thank you for coming on this tour with us. If you have any comments or questions, get in touch with us and we'll come back to you as soon as possible. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel where we post all of our latest full tour videos. Most of all, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.